Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant event reminder notifications on your Facebook page and want to turn them off, you're in the right place. With Facebook's new update on the PC app, the process is straightforward and quick. Let me walk you through the exact steps to disable those reminders and regain control over your notifications. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your PC. Once it's loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see your profile photo. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down, find and select Settings and Privacy. This will expand a list of settings choices. Click on Settings to enter your Facebook account's main configuration page. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications section, then click on it. This area lets you manage everything related to how and when Facebook alerts you about different activities. Next, locate the Events Notifications option within this menu and click on it. Here, you can tailor what kinds of event-related notifications you want to receive. To stop those recurring event reminders, simply find the toggle or checkbox labeled Reminders and disable it. Turning this off will immediately stop Facebook from sending you any more event reminder notifications on your page. And that's all there is to it. By following these easy steps, you can enjoy a quieter Facebook experience without being interrupted by constant event alerts. The new update may have shuffled some settings around, but with this guide, you'll have full control over your notifications in no time. Take a moment to explore other notification settings as well. Facebook lets you customize alerts for nearly every type of activity on your account. But if event reminder notifications are your main concern, disabling them right here will make a big difference. Thanks for watching.